Welcome to Kindergarten Math at Barrett Elementary. For children, it is a world of mathematical discovery. Kindergarten students are introduced to all 6 of the Arlington Public Schools math strands. Children learn very abstract concepts in a very concrete way. The first strand, number and number sense, is crucial to a child's math development. In kindergarten, making sense of numbers begins with working with the concrete. Children use manipulatives to make the connections between an abstract number and concrete objects. Using correct math vocabulary right from the beginning is important. For example, children learn that groups of numbers are called sets. Being able to work with patterns is essential in helping children understand the relationship among numbers. Fractions are now an important area of study for kindergartners.
I have 1 whole. I have 2 halves. I have 4 fourths.
Children learn to count the days of the school year as they begin to understand tens and hundreds. They learn to count forward to 100 and count by 5s and 10s to 100.
23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28.
Computation and estimation is another curricular strand. Children in kindergarten will add and subtract whole numbers up to 10.
2 plus 3 equals 5.
Another strand is measurement. Learning the name for coins and their value is studied in kindergarten.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I have 8 quarters.
Students also learn to use different types of instruments to measure distance, size, and temperature. Telling time to the hour using digital and analog clocks is also studied in kindergarten.
12 o'clock, it's time for lunch.
Students learn to compare sizes using the ending in words like shorter, taller, bigger, thinner.
She is shorter.
Kindergartners also learn prepositions of place like top, bottom, next to, under, and over. Geometry is another strand. Children in kindergarten learn the names for all the shapes and look for them in the world around them.
My red triangle is smaller than my blue one.
Another strand children study is probability and statistics. Students learn how to collect data and graph the information in several different ways. Patterns, functions, and algebra is the final strand. Kindergartners learn how to sort according to one or more attributes of size, shape, color, and thickness. Children also learn to identify and extend repeating patterns.
Blue, green, blue, green, blue, green, blue, green.
In summary, the kindergarten math standards place emphasis on developing the concept of number by counting, combining, sorting, and comparing sets of objects. Children also recognize and describe simple repeating patterns and recognize shapes and sizes of figures and objects. Children investigate non-standard measurement, collect data, and create graphs, and the idea of fractions is introduced. Remember that mathematics has its own language. Right from the beginning, students learn the correct vocabulary and the language that is crucial to a student's understanding and appreciation of math. Problem solving has also been integrated throughout the 6 content strands, and it's a major goal of our mathematics program. These are the concepts children need to master in kindergarten for success in first grade and every grade thereafter.